accidentally pressed stop. Yeah, I'm not going near that. And that's just a bunch of cat litter. And that's cat food. No, fat boy, you can't eat that. Ain't that flower so beautiful? Don't scale much. I think my hand been over the mic button this whole time. Also, the wing of wigs. Let me make this a bit better. Bob. Who dares venture into this plane? I'm pretty sure these are poisonous. But these are beautiful. They look fake. But them are neat. And there's a cat. I'm gonna make that into an office space and just be like, hey, wanna buy some candy? That's obviously a joke. Anyway.